Hey everyone, welcome back to Nabin Strivex. In the previous video, we learned about variables and data types in Java, and today we are going to learn how to take user input in Java using scanner class. I will also explain the concept using some simple real-life examples so beginners can understand it more easily. Until now, we were printing fixed values in Java, but today we will learn how users can enter their own data while running the program. So let's start coding. So first of all, I will close it and I will create a package name in scanner class. Let's make a class named main. Now we have created the Java class named in main. So let's start the coding. First of all, for using the scanner class, we have to import a package that is import java.util.scanner. Put a semicolon. Now we have imported the scanner class, and now let's begin into the coding. Before that, I want to tell you a real life example related to this scanner class. So first of all, you have to think about login forms, Instagram sign up pages, or the games where user enter their names anymore, and the programmer needs data from the user, right? Scanner class helps us take the input from the keyboard. So we have to make the main function public static void main string args, and we have to on the curly braces. And for making input, we have to make the object of scanner class scanner object, and then we have here the keyword named new scanner and the system.in. So here scanner sc created an object of the scanner class. This is an class name and this is an object name, and the system.in means the way of taking the input from the keyboard. And let's continue the coding. So I will print out enter your name. This shows the user to write their name. So for that we have to make a string object string name equals, here we use the object sc dot next line. You have to query what is the next line. So here next line is used to take a text from the user. Now if I print out here hello and I edit the name, first of all let's run the program. So if I here put my name is Nabin. So here you can say hello Nabin. So here is not gap between the two words, so I will keep here one gap and rerun the program. So here you can say the program is printing the name entered by the user. Here first of all program asked for the input to the users, and then it printed the hello Nabin. So let's try different in this program. Let's try another example for like entering the age. Enter your age, and so here we are doing enter your age, and then we put it the semicolon, and then int age equals sc dot next int, and then we print the dot age. If I run the program, So we have already seen the output of this string format, so I will comment it. So I will run again the program. Here you can see the program is asking to the user for the input, and I will say 18, and you can say here age is printing the 18. If I have the query, I will keep here age. I will keep the user's age, and then I will keep it here age, and then if I rerun the program, it will ask for first the input and then display it. I will say 18 and user's age is 18. You can say so. There are the different types of method to take the input, like for the taking text input from the users, we use the next line, and the for the integer value we use nextInt. And here in this program we learned about the scanner, how we create the scanner class object to take the input, and the how we print the statement to the user to take the value. So at the end, that's it for today's video. Today we learned how to take user input in Java using scanner class. In the next video, we will learn about if-else statement in Java. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe and support the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.